This is... Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. What luck! The Millennium Falcon, the fastest ship in the galaxy. Speed means profit. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes, as we discussed, you can leave the ship here. The spaceport has plenty of room, especially for the Falcon. What? No, it is perfectly safe. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. I found you the perfect ship. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember.
Right here, we'll have 2 pilots, we'll have 2 gunners. You'll be the flight color green, okay? Green is your color.
You're headed in that hallway to the left-hand side.
Welcome, my friends, right this way. Nothing to be afraid of yet. Just kidding. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo.
Remain seated and supervise young ones.
Engineers, automatic repair engaged. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out, and push forward to fly down. Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Oh, there is the train. Come, Papa. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Gunners, blast away. Blast. There it is. After that train. Gunners, fire the harpoon. Pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I am coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the Resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, fire the harpoons. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Well, it's harder than it looks. A gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. It's a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Watch out. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the booster. Boost, boost, boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chewie's right. If we lead them back, they may find the resistance. Only 3 left. He's the last. You did it. Watch out. Oh, that's going to be hard. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieved 1 container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Ooh. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough.
Legal, vai entrar no hangar agora. Olha isso, gente. Aperta isso.
Time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.
All available tech. We have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.